Prepare to witness the ultimate trucking revolution. From unstoppable low loaders and high-tech side dumpers to autonomous RoboTrucks and next-gen trailer systems, these 15 truck inventions are redefining power, precision, and performance on every road. Built for heavy-duty hauling, smarter cargo handling, and maximum safety, each innovation pushes the limits of what trucks can do. Whether it's boosting payloads, cutting downtime, or making life easier for drivers, these machines aren't just trailers. They're engineering masterpieces you need to see to believe. Let's roll into the future of trucking. The Hendrickson TRLAXLE is built to handle the real demands of modern trailers, delivering tough, dependable performance with minimal maintenance. Designed as a non-integrated trailer axle, it supports capacities up to 25,000 pounds, making it ready for heavy commercial work. Available in both straight and drop configurations with industry-standard 5-inch round tubing, it offers flexibility for different trailer builds, HN and HP spindles, along with patented axle filters, help keep wheel ends clean and protected for longer service life. With drum or optional disc brakes and ready-to-roll wheel end packages, maintenance becomes faster and easier. Strong, versatile, and built to last, the TRLAXLE reflects Hendrickson's commitment to reliability on every mile of the road. The Kassbohrer XL+XLS curtain, paired with the Hendrickson TRLAXLE, creates a premium combination built for serious transport operations. Kassbohrer's curtain sider is engineered on a lightweight yet extremely durable KTL coated steel chassis, certified to EN 12642 Code XL standards for secure load performance. Its patented K-Fix multi-point load securing system allows flexible and safe cargo handling, while the XLS upgrade strengthens the curtain structure for better intermodal performance and added load stability. When matched with the TRLAXLE's non-integrated axle design, supporting up to around 27,000 pounds with multiple spindle options and patented axle filters, the result is enhanced durability, easier serviceability, and the operational flexibility modern freight fleets demand. The FWR AZMEB side tipper, paired with the Hendrickson TRLAXLE, delivers a powerful mix of rugged Australian engineering and dependable axle performance. Built for demanding bulk haulage, the AZMEB features an 8.73-meter body with a 23 cubic meter capacity, constructed from fully welded high-tensile steel for maximum durability. Its patented rubber hinge doors and double-acting hydraulic cylinders ensure fast, smooth, and reliable unloading on tough job sites. Designed to reduce maintenance and boost uptime, it becomes even more capable with the TRLAXLE's 20,000 to 27,000 pound capacity range, durable brake options, and service-friendly design, offering strong load support, confident braking, and long-term reliability for heavy-duty operations. TATRA Desert Master. The TATRA Desert Master represents extreme off-road engineering at its finest. Built around TATRA's signature backbone tube chassis and independently swinging axles, it's designed to conquer the harshest desert terrain with maximum traction, stability, and long-term durability. This unique construction reduces stress on the frame while improving performance across sand, rocks, and uneven ground, making it a true legend in heavy-duty environments. When paired with the Hendrickson TRLAXLE, offering up to 25,000 pound capacity, friction-welded spindles, and optional brake configurations, the setup delivers dependable stopping power, lower maintenance needs, and outstanding versatility, perfect for the most demanding transport missions. Emtech 3.NPP-S. The Emtech 3.NPP-S from Polish manufacturer Emtech is a heavy-duty low-bed trailer built for serious industrial and construction logistics. With a gross weight range of around 42 to 48 tons and payload capacity reaching nearly 39 tons in similar NPP models, it's designed to move massive equipment with confidence. Its rugged welded steel frame, pneumatic suspension axles, and versatile deck with container tie-down points, make it adaptable for multiple cargo types. When paired with the Hendrickson TRLAXLE, offering up to 25,000 pound capacity, durable spindle options, and contamination-resistant wheel ends, the result is enhanced reliability, smoother performance, and easier serviceability for demanding transport operations. American Cub. The American Cub is a compact, all-aluminum stone spreader built for precision work in tight job sites. With a capacity of up to 7 cubic yards and a weight of around 14,500 pounds, it features a rust-resistant finish designed to handle harsh working conditions. Its smart conveyor system can deliver soil, gravel, and aggregates up to 65 feet with controlled accuracy, making it perfect for urban projects and landscaping operations. When paired with the Hendrickson TRLAXLE, offering up to 25,000 pound capacity, friction-welded spindles, and optional brake and wheel end configurations, the result is enhanced durability, strong braking performance, and dependable serviceability for demanding fleet applications. The PAVELLI Modular Lowbed Semitrailer is a bespoke heavy-haul solution engineered in Italy for transporting machinery, vehicles, and oversized cargo with precision. Built on a low-deck platform, it features a modular design with extendable frame options tailored to specific job requirements. Its high-strength chassis delivers durability and flexibility across demanding transport tasks, while customizable axle and suspension layouts, supporting pneumatic or hydraulic systems, ensure smooth and stable hauling. When paired with the Hendrickson TRLAXLE, known for its robust non-integrated design and capacities up to around 25,000 pounds, along with versatile brake and wheel end options, the result is enhanced load support, confident braking, and long-term serviceability for heavy-duty operations. The FreightLok 919 Ergo Ratchet, developed by Lowbed, is a professional-grade ergonomic solution designed to make cargo securing faster, safer, and far more comfortable. Unlike traditional ratchets, it features an extended handle that increases leverage, reduces operator fatigue, and improves overall tightening efficiency. Its innovative pull-to-tighten mechanism offers better control and greater power compared to standard push systems, enhancing safety during heavy-duty load restraint. Built for demanding trucking and trailer applications, it integrates seamlessly with high-performance trailer setups, ensuring secure cargo handling and smoother logistics operations. Durable, efficient, and operator-friendly, it's a smart upgrade for modern transport fleets. The KMD 2-3 axle extendable low loader is a versatile heavy-haul trailer, designed to move oversized and variable-length loads with confidence. Its modular extendable sections allow the trailer to adapt to different cargo lengths and weight requirements, making it ideal for construction and industrial transport. Built with a rugged steel low-deck structure and reinforced extendable beams, typical models support payloads of around 24 tons while maintaining stability under heavy loads. When paired with the Hendrickson TRLAXLE, offering up to approximately 27,000 pound capacity, friction-welded spindles, and multiple brake and wheel end options, the setup delivers enhanced durability, strong braking performance, and easy serviceability for demanding heavy-duty operations. The XL side dump trailer from XL Specialized Trailers is a rugged heavy-duty hauler built for demanding job sites. Available in 2 and 3 axle models with a 60,000 pound capacity, it spans 39 to 41 feet in length. Its crack-resistant quarter-inch AR450 steel tub can carry up to 23 cubic yards at water level, or 33 cubic yards strike-off, and comes with easy-use tub hooks and an electric mesh tarp system for safety and efficiency. When paired with the Hendrickson TRLAXLE, offering up to 27,000 pound capacity, friction-welded spindles, and configurable brake options, this combo ensures durable performance, reliable load support, and confident braking, perfect for tough construction and material handling operations. The AMTTKL 404-axle lightweight tip trailer is a high-capacity, durable semi-trailer designed for efficient bulk hauling. Engineered to maximize payload while minimizing deadweight, it's ideal for grain, aggregates, and general-purpose tipping operations. With a gross weight rating of 48,000 kilograms, it features 4 BPW axles with lift capabilities on the first and fourth positions, BPW drum brakes, and 300/85 SLA 65/22.5 tires for stable, cost-effective performance. When paired with the Hendrickson TRLAXLE, offering up to 25,000 pound capacity, configurable brake and wheel end options, and excellent serviceability, this combination delivers enhanced load support, dependable braking, and long-term reliability, perfect for the most demanding bulk transport operations. Cargobull SKO. The Cargobull SKO series sets the standard for temperature-controlled freight transport, combining efficiency, durability, and secure cargo handling. Built with Ferroplast insulated walls, advanced air distribution, and Trailer Connect telematics, the SKO ensures consistent temperature, maximum cargo protection, and operational transparency, making it ideal for food, pharmaceuticals, and other sensitive goods. When paired with the Hendrickson TRLAXLE, a non-integrated axle offering up to 25,000 pound capacity with robust spindle and brake options, the combination delivers enhanced load support, reliable braking, and long-term uptime, perfect for demanding fleet operations that require both precision and durability. The Cramaro Tarp-All is a highly efficient flatbed covering solution designed for reliability, safety, and ease of use. Its sliding folding structure glides smoothly on self-lubricating rails mounted to the bed, allowing full access to cargo and rapid opening or closing in under 2 minutes, all from ground level to enhance operator safety and efficiency. When paired with the Hendrickson TRLAXLE, a non-integrated axle offering up to 25,000 pound capacity with configurable brake and wheel end options, the setup ensures secure load transport, dependable braking performance, and durable low-maintenance operation, perfect for diverse flatbed hauling tasks across industries. The Palfinger TMF BM 214 is a compact truck-mounted forklift designed to elevate on-site material handling with speed and strength. Boasting a 2,100 kilogram maximum lifting capacity and a reach of up to 2.85 meters, it operates via a reliable diesel engine and four-wheel drive, ensuring traction across varied surfaces. Safely stored in a box between axles, it can deploy in under 30 seconds using remote control, making loading and unloading efficient. When paired with the Hendrickson TRLAXLE, a versatile non-integrated axle offering up to 25,000 pound capacity with configurable brakes and wheel end options, the combination delivers enhanced transport durability, reliable braking, and long-term operational reliability for demanding logistics tasks. The Kodiak driverless RoboTrucks represent a major leap in autonomous freight technology, featuring a 6th-generation self-driving platform designed for safe and scalable driverless operations. These trucks come equipped with redundant braking and steering systems, plus advanced proprietary sensors, including multiple LiDAR, radar, and camera units, enabling fully autonomous operation without a human safety driver, while improving reliability on long-haul routes. When paired with the Hendrickson TRLAXLE, a robust non-integrated axle offering up to 25,000 pound capacity with configurable brakes and wheel end options, the combination provides enhanced load support, dependable braking, and long-term uptime, perfect for the next generation of autonomous logistics operations. The BPW Active Reverse Control is a cutting-edge electro-hydraulic auxiliary steering solution that transforms trailer maneuverability. It allows self-steering axles to operate not only forward, but also in reverse at low speeds, enhancing agility in tight yards, while reducing tire wear, ease, fuel consumption, and driver fatigue. When paired with the Hendrickson TRLAXLE, a robust non-integrated axle offering up to 25,000 pound capacity with friction-welded spindles and configurable brake options, the combination delivers precise handling, dependable braking, and long-term reliability, offering maximum operational flexibility for modern freight fleets.